focus on me. Baby, can you focus on me?
Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Daniela and I go by the name of DSYB Hair. If you want to see how I look from this to this, then continue watching, guys. Today we'll be doing something new. Today I'll be doing miracle knots using the crochet hair that I always use. However, I don't do the miracle knots exactly how everyone else has done it. I've done it slightly differently, which you'll see in this video. I do feel like this is the safest way of doing the miracle knot without it tangling when taking it out. I could be wrong, but to me, I think this may be the safest way of doing it. But if you want to see how I achieve this look, then continue watching, guys. But without further ado, let's get straight into the video. I also forgot to mention, guys, I didn't use any expression again. Not any expression again. Like, I'm loving this hairstyle where I don't have to add any expression. All I've used is literally the crochet hair. Like, anyways, if you want to see how I achieve this look, then continue watching. Hey guys, I would like to thank Ywigs for sponsoring this video with their water deep wave crochet hair in 20 inches. So, as you can see here, I sectioned my hair into 3 sections. At the back, I done 7 rows, and at the front, I done 5 rows on each side, which altogether, that's 10 rows. Onto the braids. So I prep my hair by putting edge control at the roots and leaving conditioner at the end, which you'll see me do. I do that so the ends are still hydrated whilst in this hairstyle. I then braid my hair a couple inches before adding the crochet to leave space for the miracle knots. Now guys, with the thread part of the crochet, with your index finger and thumb, you're going to insert the crochet in between the two and continue braiding down until you get just past where my hair finishes. I then add an elastic band to secure the hair to prevent it unraveling. I make sure the elastic is on the crochet hair and not my actual hair, so when I take it out, it won't damage my natural hair. I'm going to show you another way I install the crochet hair when I get to the front. This is how my hair should be looking at the back. Another way I install the hair is with my left section and middle section. I'm going to put the thread part of the crochet in between the two and continue braiding down again until I get past my natural hair, and then I add the elastic band. I'm going to show you a few more times before I show you how I create the miracle knots, guys, which that's where the magic is, right? This is how the hair should be looking, nice and full. Now, onto the miracle knots. I saw this lady doing a 1-knot method on each braid, but only at the root of the braid. I feel this method is safe, as this is the similar method I use when I'm doing the 1-knot method for my crochet hairstyle, which would be at the roots also. Here's me testing it out to see if it comes out without tangling, and voila, it came out nicely. I do want to know though how easy it would be once the braids are a bit older, so I will update you guys. But I definitely feel this method is more safer as it still creates a nice fullness. The hair I'm using also plays a part of the fullness, so I definitely recommend this hair. Look how full my hair was looking at this point, guys. Altogether, I used 3 bundles of crochet hair. To me, I feel this is the safest method to use, but I will update you once I take out the hair. So follow my socials, guys, to see the update. Onto the curl defining. I use a water spray and leave-in conditioner to define the curls. I use a curl defining brush for a more detailed definition. onto the cut. I only cut a few inches off as I still wanted to keep the length. To be honest, guys, you don't really have to cut the hair. I loved it both ways. So it's up to you guys which one you prefer. Personally, I would say just don't even cut it, because when you're taking it out, at least the length will be exactly how you got it. And then you can literally do other hairstyles with the hair. Do you know what I mean? But that's it, guys. Guys, this is the final look. Guys, this was the quickest boho hairstyle I've ever done in my entire life, ever. Like I took a break from doing boho braids because of how long it took to do. And guys, this is a lifesaver. I'm definitely going to, you will see me do on probably other socials of me taking out this hair, just to know whether this is actually the best method to do without tangling your hair. But guys, this was so quick. Whoever invented miracle knots, you are a hero. You are amazing. Because this was so straightforward. Like, and I didn't use expression again. Guys, I did not use expression. Literally, all I've got is the human hair in my hair and my hair. Like, how amazing is this? Like, anyways, but comment down below what you guys think of this look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow all of my socials. But see you later, guys. Bye.